It's been a tough year. Folks lost their jobs, schools closed their doors temporarily, and hospital beds filled with dozens of sick patients on a weekly basis. Our Stephanie Poole explains this year has emphasized the response from frontline workers, and now she joins us in the studio with more. Stephanie.
That's right, Joey. Nothing could have prepared us for the impact of this pandemic. Teachers, healthcare workers, and law enforcement all had to adjust. It's been an unprecedented year. COVID-19 changed the way first responders and medical professionals go about normal day routines.
People really didn't know what to expect. They didn't know how to prepare. And even as medical professionals and providers, we didn't really know how to prepare.
Rachel Martin works for Fast Care in Starkville. Martin says most healthcare personnel are providing care for patients. And with hospitals and clinics filling up, shifts tend to grow even longer.
It definitely has taken a toll on us as medical providers. From the moment we step foot through the door, sometimes there's people waiting outside needing to be tested, and even sometimes when we're ready to close, there's still people waiting to be tested. So we're just doing the best we can.
Since March, families have relied on virtual and hybrid learning.
We've learned that some kids learn better remotely. We've turned a new corner with blended learning.
Dr. Cherie Labat is the superintendent of Columbus Municipal School District. She says in the earlier stages of the pandemic, some students struggled with internet and computer services.
We've opened a new door of how our students can learn, and we're able to put the world at their fingers with our one-to-one initiative. We realized, we're not seeing parents regularly. We have to communicate a little bit more. As a district, we worked on more communication and less notification.
And for those who serve and protect, COVID adds a new layer to dealing with the public.
And when they get to a situation, they have to react and do the job. So now they have to take that little extra time and think, hey, I've got to have my mask on, I need gloves on, what I need to do to protect myself. And at the same time, we have to go into these homes, whether it's domestic violence cases or whatever, that we actually have to go in there. They don't know what they're walking into. They don't know if somebody's in there COVID positive or not.
Clay County Sheriff Eddie Scott says now masks and gloves are at the top of the list.
We've had a lot of people that's sick, including members of my own staff that's been sick, inmates in the jail. So it has definitely been a trying year for us, and trying to figure out ways to stay ahead of it.
Even with serious obstacles in 2020, community, Labat says, is what held everyone together.
We're looking forward to a great year. 2020 hasn't been all bad.
And city and county government officials will continue to provide updated safety and health information.